Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a lead using Zoho CRM in n8n, step by step. If you're building automations and you need to remove a lead from your CRM based on a trigger, a condition, or another workflow action, this is the simple way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n and automation walkthroughs. First, open the workflow you want inside n8n. This is the workflow where you want the lead deletion to happen, so make sure you're in the correct automation before you make any changes. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where n8n gives you all the available apps and actions you can add to your automation. Now, from the Nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can usually search for it quickly if you don't want to scroll through the list. Click on Zoho CRM to add it to your workflow. After that, n8n will show you the available actions for Zoho CRM, and this is where you need to select the correct operation. Choose Delete a Lead. This is the action that tells n8n you want to remove a lead record from Zoho CRM. Once you select it, the configuration panel will open, and now you can set exactly what lead should be deleted. This part is important because n8n needs to know the specific lead record to remove, so make sure you map the correct lead ID or the correct value from the previous step in your workflow. Next, configure what to delete. In most cases, that means selecting the lead identifier from the data coming into the node. If your workflow is receiving lead information from another app, a form, a webhook, or a previous Zoho CRM step, use that output to fill in the field required for deletion. Double check that you are targeting the right lead before you run the workflow, because deleting the wrong record can't be undone easily. Once the lead is configured, save your node and test the workflow. Run it once to make sure n8n successfully connects to Zoho CRM and deletes the correct lead. If everything is set up properly, the lead will be removed automatically when the workflow runs. And that's it. You've now deleted a lead using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.